Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to this week's Guitar Center. Today we have the Keeley Electronics Compressor. Compressors aren't typically known for their extreme clipping, but if you're looking for some brutal high gain and you want to increase your noise floor, well, the Keeley Compressor might be the jam for you. Now let's check out some extremely heavy metal. Now go ahead and click that HD button and put on headphones for maximum quality. Whew, boy, that was smoking. Real heavy stuff. Well, that concludes this week's Guitar Center. We'll see you next week.